Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to take a conversation off Snooze on X, also known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If a chat you muted earlier isn't showing notifications anymore, this quick tutorial will help you bring it back to your active messages so you never miss any new updates. Let's get started. First, open X on your computer by going to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several icons there, and one of them says Messages. Click on it to open your DMs section. Inside your messages, you'll find a list of all your conversations. These may include chats you've had recently, as well as any messages that are snoozed. Snooze conversations are temporarily muted, meaning you won't get alerts until you take them off snooze. Now, with your list of chats open, move your mouse and hover over the conversation you want to reactivate. When you hover, a few options will appear next to the chat. Find the three dots icon on the right side of that chat. It looks like a small vertical menu. Click on those three dots to reveal more settings. In the drop-down that opens, you'll see an option labeled Take Conversation Off Snooze. Click on it. The chat will now go back to being active, and you'll start receiving notifications again whenever a new message comes in. That's it. You've successfully taken your conversation off Snooze on XWeb. It's a simple process that only takes a few clicks, but it makes a big difference if you want to stay up to date with everyone's messages. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more quick guides, and check out the next video for more X updates and tricks.